Randal Ritchie. 24 12-inch dreamsicle.
What's your name? What you got, dude?
Randal Ritchie. 24 12-inch dreamsicles.
Well, hold on. 2412, you said?
2412s.
Holy shit. What's in your A-pillars?
Oh, all sky high, naturally.
And doors, obviously. Beautiful build, man. What's up with the center console? Why is all this up here? Is it like custom car audio crap?
Well, yeah, you know, these up here for the windows, subs, slot wall, roof rack, fans, exterior LEDs, interior LEDs. Obviously, we weren't able to finish it before Made of Steel, but at the next show, it should be
good to go.
There.
Well, it looks intimidating as is, but let's turn it up and see how she sounds.
All right, sounds good.
24 12-inch subs.
Hold up, Hey, bro, don't get that shit on my sheets, bro. In the Bentley raw. Hey, it's full of motherfucking raw. Put ounce in my too soft. It's on my third drop. Come here. 10% to the pastor church. Yeah.
What frequency was that?
22 hertz.
Okay, that's the one. Thanks for that, man.
Absolutely, brother. Thank you.
Got the fucking sauce, baby! Woo! Ain't gonna